English Indonesian. Go equals.
pergi,
Fun past forms. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll lock in the English-Indonesian verb pair, go,
pergi,
plus friendly past meanings like he went.
dia pergi,
We went.
kami pergi,
You, plural, went.
kalian pergi,
They went.
mereka pergi,
And for events or results, it went.
itu berjalan,
Ready to move? Let's go. Well, let's.
pergi,
Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say each form naturally and with a smile. You got this. Your goal. Hear it, say it, and place it in tiny scenes so it sticks. By the end, you'll confidently use
pergi,
for movement,
dia pergi, kami pergi, kalian pergi, mereka pergi,
for people, and
itu berjalan,
for how an event went. A silly hallway escape. Let's jump into a quick, funny dialogue. Listen first, then echo the Indonesian parts aloud. A. Are we ready to go? B. Yes.
ayo, pergi,
Narrator. He went for snacks.
dia pergi,
And returned with only napkins. Classic. A. Where's the team? B. We went.
kami pergi,
To find the meeting room. We found a vending machine instead. Coach. You all went the wrong way.
kalian pergi,
K.8 yang salah. Guard. The guests? They went upstairs.
mereka pergi,
K lantai dua. Manager. How was the launch? It went well.
itu berjalan dengan baik,
Status report.
itu berjalan,
Forms at a glance. Say each pair out loud. Keep it light, keep it moving. Go.
pergi,
He went.
dia pergi,
We went.
kami pergi,
You, plural, went.
kalian pergi,
They went.
mereka pergi,
It went, as in, the event went.
itu berjalan,
Slash.
itu berjalan dengan baik,
Call and response drill. Echo me. Big voice, big confidence. If you're on a bus, whisper like a secret agent. I say, go. You say.
pergi,
I say, he went. You say.
dia pergi,
I say, we went. You say.
kami pergi,
I say, you all went. You say.
kalian pergi,
I say, they went. You say.
mereka pergi,
I say, it went well. You say.
itu berjalan dengan baik.
Culture tip. Tense the easy way. Good news, you don't have to conjugate here. In Indonesian, verbs don't change for past or future. Time words do the heavy lifting. So, yesterday we went, is simply, kemarin.
Kami pergi,
They went earlier, can be, tadi.
mereka pergi,
For event outcomes, use.
itu berjalan,
Dengen bake, to say, it went, well. Relax your shoulders, you just saved 10 grammar headaches. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, your first instinct is usually right. Q1. Translate to Indonesian, they went. A.
mereka pergi,
Q2. Translate to Indonesian, we went. A.
kami pergi,
Q3. Translate to Indonesian, it went well. A.
itu berjalan dengan baik,
Q4. Translate to Indonesian, he went. A.
Dia pergi.
Q5. Translate to Indonesian, you, plural, went. A.
Kalian pergi.
Your speaking challenge. Time to flex your new superpower. Say them all, back to back. Repeat. Go.
Pergi.
He went.
Dia pergi.
We went.
Kami pergi.
You all went.
Kalian pergi.
They went.
Mereka pergi.
It went well.
Itu berjalan dengan baik.
Now plug them into your day. Yesterday.
Kami pergi.
Early. After the movie.
Mereka pergi.
Home. The meeting?
Itu berjalan.
Exclamation mark quote. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, tiny reps win. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, transcripts, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and until then, let's
Pergi.
practice.